What's up, big family? Today we are busy as all get out. We're gonna throw a brisket on with a simple recipe that I've been wanting to try, and we're gonna have that smoking all day, so we'll have a good dinner. We got a bunch of dirt coming in so we can fill in some holes around here, and I gotta go pick up all the materials for the new goat pen. So we picked up a bunch more goats, so now we're up to 5 right now. Not much compared to some people, but we're getting there. Y'all hang tight, hang on for the ride, and we'll see how today goes. All right, we got our pit up the temp. We're about to throw this bad boy on and let it start cooking. If we can find somewhere to hang the GoPro so you guys don't fall. Let's see. Maybe. We are running right at 300 right now. We can probably drop it down a little closer to 275, but that's not bad. Still in our range. And we're just gonna let it sit on there for the next couple hours, get a nice bark going, and then we'll start spraying it to keep it moist. And what else do we have going on this busy day? We've got the pit going, got our brisket going there, and Daz has been back here on the tractor spreading the dirt. We've already got 2 loads dropped off, so he's just trying to get it spread in place, and then we'll start leveling it out a little bit. Some much needed maintenance and upkeep around here. Dump truck got stuck, so we had to pull it out with the F-250. Once we go pick up the materials for the new goat pen, we get to put this old tractor back to work. We're going to start digging some post holes with our auger here. We're going to go, you can't really see it, but right over there is where the goat pen is that we built a few videos back. It's 24 by 32 if I remember correctly. We're going to come out probably 32 out instead of 24, and we're gonna get past this group of trees over here so they have some shade and they have some more greenies to eat, and we're gonna take it from right here where the goat pen is all the way down to our back corner over there where that big pine tree is. So they'll have a way bigger fence. Like I said earlier, we only have 5 goats right now, but one of them is supposed to be pregnant, so that should be 2 or 3 more coming. And then we plan on getting a few more soon, so this pen will be perfect. We're gonna keep the original pen, so if we need to separate them out for anything, we can do that. Let's see if we can sneak up back here. Goats, goats, goats. This is Salt and Phil. Hello, Phil. And Pepper. And Pip is the black one. And Thunder is the little guy. He's the youngest so far. This is Pepper, is the one that's supposed to be pregnant right now. Possibly, but I don't know. I see some udders on her, but I don't see any belly really.